Today, we'll check out just about the worst subway in the United States by reviews. Let's see if they're open. Usually they're closed when you show up, even 1 hour before closing.
Yes, I'll fill a regular order.
Maybe. Banana peppers, jalapenos, pickles.
Let's see how they did today. As expected, it's just half the meat that is supposed to be there. It's the same thing every time. Yes, they only have 1-star reviews, and guess what? They deserve them. Yeah, if you pay for a whole or a wrap, whatever, and you only get half of it, that kind of bums you out. So, Subway, 1459 Moreland Avenue, Southeast Atlanta, Georgia. Do better. Or at least read your reviews. Also, if you're getting a wrap, you would expect for it to be a wrap. But here, they just slap the stuff inside that, and then they just close the wrapper. That is definitely, well, I don't know. Maybe somewhere else in the world they call that a wrap. Definitely not in the United States. I think the video says it all. See you all next time. Peace.